Morning, y'all. Y'all, we're out here back at the spring. It is bright and early, 4 o'clock in the morning. We are trying to get back on some crappie. I'm here with Richard again from Better Day Fishing. We're gonna stay out here and try to get the early morning bite. Now, I got a good feeling. We'll see what happens. Check it out, guys. First catch. Nice shellcracker. Oh, he's a strong guy. Ooh, big boy, you heard that? Golly.
There he is. Got me a pig. I got me a big one. Oh my goodness, I got a good crappie. A big crappie. Come on in here, buddy. No, he got smaller the whole way in.
Oh no.
I thought I had us a Jim Dandy.
He's thick though. Sometimes first light's supposed to be like right before 5.
So with this cloud cover, oh no, it's usually like 5:50.
Got one. Woo, keeper, I think.
Here we go, guys. Let's get this light on.
All right. First crappie for me of the night. He's muddy. I got him all muddy. It's muddy out here, y'all. Cool. 2 keepers. Boom. Oh, there's another one. Keeper. Jeeper keeper. Dang, he choked it. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. He choked that thing. Another keeper. Oh yeah, right here especially. I'm staying in a slop. It's a daggone pigsty. Got one. Another keeper, Richard, I think. Oh yeah. Get on in here, son. There we go, guys. Third keeper of the day. We on them this morning. Boink! We're on 4. Let's go. Oh, sorry. Well, y'all, this is all we using tonight. Just single old Bobby G 132-ounce sickle hook, then pearl. The old tried and true. And she getting her done. We got minnows out there and everything like that. They getting stripped. And we caught that one shellcracker on the worm. So let's hope I don't just grab my live line. I probably will.
Better be over here than it was over there.
Yeah.
Pretty out. Okay.
There we go. Oh.
Really big one.
Number freaking 4.
Stud.
Here, let me turn on my light for you guys. There you go. Check them out, guys.
I think it's a black.
That's a beauty. Thick boy. Number 4, 4 keepers. We are on them. We're having a blast out here, y'all. He tried to splash me too. Come on then.
There we go.
Woo.
This is just little. It's not a keeper.
Come on. Come on in.
But that's like one of the first ones. Back-to-backers, guys.
Ooh,
but
nice.
They're both small. Back-to-backers, guys, but they're both small.
Here y'all go. All right, here's a new snack.
But they ain't eating it 5 foot deep. Them fish are eating it to surf.
Something's got it. There we go. Oh, big shell cracker. Oh, lordy, lordy. That's a monster shell cracker. Guys, well, there it is, y'all. Check out second shell cracker of the day. Nice size boy. He'll make some good fillets. And this place got some shell cracker in her. Where's the minnows at? There they are.
Whoa, it's under.
Minus? Oh.
Oh my God, it was under for so long.
Dude, I was putting it down.
It was under for so long.
Got him. Oh, he's on your line.
You need to walk this way. Dude, that was so fast. That was so fast. It's all good.
Big crappie.
Big crappie. That was the slab.
That's crappie number 5 for me. Oh, this thing's gonna get full.
Things all froze up. 5 eyes down.
About where I got 8. Like it's dynamite. Oh, big one, Richard.
I'm jealous. I want them.
Come over here by you. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Big black nose, bro. Big black nose.
Y'all. Huge black nose.
I mean, huge black nose.
Look at that, guys. That is number 6. Oh, look at that black nose. Instead of my back. Just have
They are
one.
looking at you back.
Ooh, got one, got one. Oh.
See that? It went way under, huh?
Uh-huh.
I need to just be fishing that and not worried about this.
Yeah, that's what I decided. I was about to put it down, but then I'm like, would it getting slammed like that? Deep again.
Right here.
Oh.
Right,
Richard's on one, guys.
right in front of us, right on the camera. A black nose.
Oh. Cool.
Black nose. My birthday.
Check it out, guys. Oh, keeper black nose. That's the second black nose we got.
Black Scuba. Happy birthday to me from Scuba 451.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you. You ever heard the downtown version that we sing?
Oh, do y'all have your own?
Yeah, we do it like a train beat. Ticka, 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 ticka. It's like, and I do like a country happy birthday to you. And then I go to, I hope you get some tonight. I hope you get some tonight. I hope you get some cake and ice cream. And I'm like, y'all get y'all's minds out of the gutter. Jesus and Santa Claus is always watching. And his,
Got another keeper. Ooh, this is my biggest one today.
ooh,
Might be yeah, it's a slab, dude.
come on, Richard.
Slab, dude.
Tight lining them. Y'all check it out.
Oh my gosh, you guys. That
Ooh.
is a slab.
Better days. Crushing it.
How about that?
Look at that, y'all. Beauty. Man, you making me want to get my booby garland back out. And I'm going back to buy me garland while that thing's sitting there. I'm gonna try to pick her up and hopefully it goes as good as the last time.
John B.
Zio John B's, yeah.
He opens it 12.
Not today. He said on Tuesday. Look at all the bluegill chasing it.
Oh, on Google it says 12 to 7. Had ribs. You ain't never had ribs so good.
Oh, I just missed one.
Solid. Bass I got him. I got him, Chris.
Nice.
I said I wanted to catch a bass for my birthday, buddy.
There you go.
We go. Guys, we're having more fun than should be legally allowed by law. He's looking at it. He got it. I got him. The big one. I got the big one.
Ooh. Oh my, Richard.
I mean, I just watched him eat it. The thing was, is it's not even hard. The largemouth will just come up and eat your live bait right at the bank.
Look at this, y'all.
Just watched him eat it. It was not even hard at all. It was so much fun, too.
This is incredible.
Yep. You guys got to get out here.
Look at a beauty.
Oh, yeah. He's going in there. There we go. Thank you.
Dude, it's going right up in there where he was hanging out. Like, oh, there he goes. Look.
You got it. You got it. You got it. Bass.
Oh, it came out. It just came
I
out.
saw how big that fish was. That was a big bass.
It just came out, dude. I don't know why. Oh, he's on it, Richard. There he is. There we go.
That's a nice bass.
Oh, yeah. Cool, guys. And there's the bonus bass. He's a nice one. Cool, y'all. Guys, look.
Bonus.
Another bonus crappie.
Slab, too.
Oh, my God. What you think about it, Richard?
What a birthday, man. It's been the best,
Yeah,
best birthday
happy
fishing
birthday.
in a long time. Thanks, buddy.
Daggum.
Look how
In the
good-
middle
look
of
how good he got it.
January, dude. Just the
January
best.
13th.
The best day of fishing.
Yeah.
Beautiful weather. Beautiful fish. Bass, crappie, shellcracker, bluegill. All right, y'all. Well, the fish have stopped biting now, but we have had an epic day for Richard's birthday. Happy birthday one more time. Yeah, so we got a full stringer full of crappie, so we're gonna have plenty of fish for the freezer, and we got some extra bass just for fun. Yeah, man, it's been a good day. Thanks for watching, y'all, and we'll see y'all on the next one.